Welcome. Today we present the true story of the Trojan Horse. In the second part, you can use our self-check system to verify your comprehension and speaking skills. Part 1. Read and listen. The Trojan Horse is a famous story from the ancient city of Troy. Many people think it is true, but many historians say it is a myth. The Greeks fought Troy for 10 years, but they could not enter the city. The walls were strong and tall, and the Trojans defended them well. The Greeks made a clever plan to trick the people of Troy. They built a big wooden horse and left it on the beach. The horse was empty inside, and Greek soldiers hid there. The Trojans saw the horse and thought it was a gift. They brought the horse inside and celebrated the end of the war. At night, the soldiers came out and opened the city gates. The Greek army returned quietly and entered the city of Troy. The Trojans were sleeping, and the city was defeated. This story is very famous, but it may not be real history. It comes from old poems and tales told for thousands of years. Different versions of the story exist, and details often change. Some people say it is true, others say it is only a legend. Archaeologists found the city of Troy in the country we call Turkey. They found walls and old houses, but no wooden horse. Maybe the story explains a real trick used long ago in the war. Or maybe it is just a tale to teach people about clever ideas. The Trojan horse became a symbol of smart plans and hidden danger. Today, Trojan horse means a trap that looks safe but is not. Artists painted the wooden horse, and writers told the story in books. It inspired many movies and plays, and became part of world culture. People like this story because it is simple and exciting. It has mystery and surprise and a very clever ending. Old stories often mix real events with imagination and fantasy. People add new details over time to make the tale more interesting. The Trojan horse is a good example of how stories can change. A small event can grow bigger when people tell it again and again. Even if it is not true, the story teaches good lessons. It shows the power of ideas and the danger of trusting too fast. This is why the Trojan horse is still famous around the world. It is history, myth, and mystery, all in one great story. Did you know this fact? Tell me in the comments if it was a surprise. Help this channel grow, share this video. Part 2. Time for your self-check. Listen to these summary sentences and repeat after me before reading the text. The Trojan horse is a famous story. Many people think it really happened. Historians say it is a legend. The Greeks fought Troy for 10 years. They made a clever plan to trick the Trojans. The horse was very large and hollow. Greek soldiers hid quietly inside. The Trojans thought it was a gift. This story may not be real history. It comes from ancient poems and myths. Archaeologists found Troy in Turkey, but no real wooden horse was there. The wooden horse became a symbol. People used Trojan horse for secret dangers. Ancient stories mix facts with imagination. It is history, myth, and mystery together. This story ends here. We recommend watching this video for several days until all phrases and words are fully assimilated. Check our playlists to find your level. And follow our progressive stories. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click like.